I'm back again at the Canton Fair. For those who don't know, this isn't just any trade show. The Canton Fair is China's oldest and largest international trade exhibition. First held back in 1957, it's known worldwide as China's #1 trade fair, attracting hundreds of thousands of buyers and more than 30,000 companies every session. So come with me on a journey and let's explore this magnificent trade fair. There's my card there, look at that. I'm a buyer. What indeed am I going to buy today? Let's head inside. Just look at this. It feels like stepping into some kind of international airport. Just look at this. Nationalities from all over the globe. The sheer amount of people here is astonishing. Dozens of languages, Arabic, Spanish, French, Russian, sometimes all within the same aisle. It's into a little bit crazy. Buyers and exhibitors have come from every corner of the globe, from Africa to Europe, from Southeast Asia to South America. It's like a mini United Nations of trade. Proof that no matter where you're from, the world still comes to China to do business. And over here, let's check out where these two young fellows are from. Hello guys.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Morocco.
Morocco?
Yeah.
And what do you think of the fair today?
Really good.
Why are you here? I can see you have a buyer's tag. What have you come to buy?
Looking for some product.
Yeah,
Some
looking
products?
for products.
And in what industry?
Like in technology, like in
Technology?
Yeah.
What's the name of your company?
AB Info.
Yeah.
Group.
So you two started this company
Yeah.
together?
Yes.
Oh wow, it's a very good, inspiring story. Two young entrepreneurs from Africa coming to China, the best country in the world to source this kind of products,
the
right?
best country.
By far the best. There's other
no
countries
doubt.
cannot compete with the price,
Cannot come.
the quality, the speed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I wish you guys the best of luck
Thank
in
you
your
so
company.
much.
Thank you so much.
so
Thank you so much.
The next Bill Gates, the next Elon Musk's
We hope.
from Africa.
We hope.
It's where the world comes to see what's next, from high-tech innovation to cutting-edge manufacturing. And it's in its 138th session, the fair proves one thing very clearly. No tariff, no trade war can slow China down. While some countries talk about decoupling, China's still busy connecting people, products, and now even robots. First up, we're here at the service robot zone, where machines aren't just working behind factory walls, they're stepping into our everyday lives. The theme this year says it all: links all, future calls. And just take a look at this guy enjoying a massage, not from a human, not from a person, but from a robot. Just look at that. He just took his shirt off, jumped straight on the bed in the middle of the Canton Fair to enjoy this massage by a machine. Can you believe that? What kind of world are we living in, where machines can now massage your body? This is impressive. What's next? That's all that I'm asking. What comes next after this? The service robot zone is inside the Friendship Hall Area D, and it's absolutely alive with motion, robotic motion, from domestic helpers that fold your laundry to AI guides that can translate 10 languages in real time. This is where you can literally walk through the future. And unlike in the West, where most robots are still prototypes or research products, here in China, they're already commercial, mass-produced and ready for export. You know, most people think the future of robots means replacing humans, but here, this company, Technique Exoskeleton, are proving the opposite. This isn't about machines taking over, it's about machines giving power back to the people. Imagine a factory worker lifting heavy steel all day, or a delivery worker bending 1,000 times on shift. Now imagine that same person wearing a lightweight robotic suit that moves with them, supports their spine, and gives their body a break. That's not just technology, that's empathy built into engineering. Okay, and I just met Jack in here from the Technique company, and he also has another product to tell me about.
Yeah, you see, this is like it's an armor. We call it armor, and if you wear this armor, if you don't have legs, even if you don't have legs, you can walk in.
Even you don't have any legs?
Yes.
And you can use this?
Yes.
Wow, and when will this come available on the market?
Could be one more year.
One more year.
We're still in the development.
That is crazy. So they can just walk again, walk like normal.
Yes, that's normal.
In a world obsessed with automation, China's innovators are doing something different. They're creating technology that works with people, not against them. And that, to me, feels like the most human form of progress. And look what this company is making. It's kind of patrol robots that aid the police in chasing down criminals. Can you imagine one of these just chasing you down the street? That would just be insane. We could actually do with these robots in the UK, chasing down those criminals. Maybe then the UK's crime rate would go down. Welcome to the New Energy Vehicles Hall, and everywhere you look here, it feels like the future is charging up. China's new energy vehicles aren't just modes of transport anymore, they're moving networks of intelligence and design built to connect cities, people, and power grids all at once. And honestly, when you see the scale of this innovation, the speed, the quality, the affordability, it's no wonder the West simply can't keep up. While China rolls out entire ecosystems of EVs, charging stations, and battery plants, other countries are still debating subsidies and paperwork. So what happens when you can't compete? You start talking about bans, sanctions, and tariffs as if slowing China down will somehow help you catch up. But the truth is, progress doesn't wait for politics. And here at the Canton Fair, you can see exactly where the road ahead is leading. And it's electric. You know, every time I come to the Canton Fair, I swear I'll cover it all. But then I walk through the endless halls and realize that's impossible. It's not just robots and cars here. There are smart home appliances, AI medical devices, green energy solutions, industrial machinery, drones, construction tech, textiles, even entire pavilions of household goods and creative design. It's basically the entire global supply chain under one roof, or more accurately, under about a dozen roofs. You could spend a week walking, filming, exploring, and still not make it past half of it. And honestly, if I tried to show you everything, this video would probably be about 10 hours long. So for now, that's where I'll stop. But something tells me that I'll definitely be coming back again, because the Canton Fair never really ends. It just keeps evolving. So for now, that's the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Signing off.